cryptocurrencies are outstanding virtual or digital coins that are decentralized under the blockchain system. You can pull the cryptocurrency price in Google Sheets. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to pull crypto prices in Google Sheets. First, go to the website, cryptoprices.cc. Scroll down and click on Lists of all tokens available. A long list of different cryptocurrencies and their prices are listed there. Then, we copy the currencies that we want their prices pulled. Paste the copied tokens on your worksheet. Then, use the =import data URL formula to pull the prices of the data. Just to follow it. Click Enter on the keyboard. The price of Bitcoin when you use the URL as the parameter is shown in the result. There are also two different methods that we describe in our blog post. Please check the description to get the blog post link. Hope now you can do it easily. Thank you.